Dear students, today as a series of lecture, we're discussing two more questions of the university semester paper for the subject GE6757 Total Quality Management. Today we are going to discuss the May-June 2014 exam questions. First one comes under Unit 1, Define Quality as per Edward Demings. This asked in November 2008. Quality is predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to market. That means you don't write the predictable degree of uniformity and suited to market will give full mark. Better to study small 2 lines only. You can memorize these things. You cannot change the word. You should not write fitness for intended use, conformance standard, not like that. The evaluator expect the same answer for the definition. Second question, what do you understand by quality statements? Wherever you go, any company related ISO 9000 or NBA, NAC, any institution or any organization should have the quality statements 3. The quality statements are established by the Quality Council to provide overall directions for achieving a total quality culture. The main elements of this quality statement are the vision statement, that means after 10 years or 5 years, what are you going to be? The mission statement, the methods which are going to follow to achieve the vision. Then quality policy statement. These 3 comes under the quality statements. Third question, write notes on the supplier selection. This comes under the Unit 2. The suppliers are selected based on the performance in the terms of cost. How they performed in the cost, quality and the delivery reliability, how they are having quality as well as why they are delivering very periodically, correct or not. In addition to that, supplier criteria include management compatibility, whether the management is able to do the required things, the goal concurrence, and the strategic direction. So, supplier selection is based on the performance in the cost, quality and delivery, as well as the management compatibility. You got to write all these points. Then, fourth question, what is empowerment? This also comes under the Unit 2. Already we have seen this question in the previous lecture. Anyhow, empowerment means responsibility to take commitment to solve the problem by one within the specified limit. So the word required is responsibility to take commitment to take responsibility and ownership. So definition is empowerment is an environment in which people have the ability, the confidence, and the commitment to take the responsibility and ownership to improve the process and initiate the necessary steps to satisfy customer requirements well within the boundaries in order to achieve the organizational values and goals. In this question, evaluator looking for the word commitment to take the responsibility. This word, it is there, you will get full mark. Then, this comes under the third unit. Draw the different types of the histograms or name the different types of histograms they'll ask. You have to write all these things. For writing, you will get a mark, and the drawing, you'll get 1 mark. So, both will be asked. So, you can write it symmetrical, skewed right, from left to right is skewed. The skewed left, from right to left is skewed. Peaked value, flat one, bimodal. So practice this and you can write. You can write any 4 is okay for getting 2 marks. Why the reasons for the benchmark? Benchmark comes under the 4th unit. The benchmark, this also comes under 3rd unit. The benchmarking means the copying the ideas from your competitor and use it for the productive purpose. The benchmarking helps organizations to develop their strength and reduce the weakness. It inspires the managers and organizations to compete, to know your position in the competitive market. The goals can be set based on the external information so that you can find out the strength of the competitive people. This is a continuous improvement tool because you are comparing your product with the competitors. It is used to reduce planning, testing activities considerably. Seventh question, what are the various measurement terms? Measurements of dispersion is used. Dispersion means moving from something, that is from the center value. The measure of dispersion describes how the data are spread out, scattered on each side of the center value. Say for example, diameter 50 plus or minus 5 mm means from the 50, the value is how is it changed. How the measure of central tendency, two concepts are there, measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion. Then under the measure of central tendency, this comes an average, mean, mode. The measure of dispersion, range, deviation. You can write measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, these 5 words will get 2 marks. Then name the common quality loss function in Takeuchi method. This comes under the 4th unit, Takeuchi quality loss. Under that, 3 categories are there. Normal, the best, using the sine curve. Going away from the center is loss for the customer. Second one, smaller the better. The quantity, the effects, side effects will be very small. For example, the micro oven, the nuclear reactor, and the exhaust from the bike, all this comes under this category. Larger the better. When it uses larger, it gives good quality. Say for example, bonding between the pupil and welding butt thickness so that the strength will be more like this. 3 common quality loss is there. Normal the best, smaller the better, larger the better. Write the definition, no need of definition, write the 3, write the drawing, you'll get a full mark. Then this comes under the 5th unit. What is the purpose of ISO 9000 quality system? Why we need? The last purpose, objective, need, everything, the common question only. We have to answer. The customers are marketing or suggesting or demanding complaints to the quality system. There must be a system. You should follow that. Either customer or marketing or other people occur the same. Needs improvements in the process or system and desire for global deployment of product and services. If you want to compete in the global market, you have to improve the process. In order to maintain or increase the market share, many organizations are finding they must be conformance with ISO standard. This is the minimum passport required to travel in the global market. So first one is compliance to quality system. Second one, improve your process and system. Fourth one, to maintain or increase the market share, you must have a global acceptance. Then the 10th question, it comes under the 5th unit. How do conceptual approach to ISO 14000 differ from ISO 9000? ISO 9000 meant for the product, from design to service, address the performance of the product or service. So this is product standard. ISO 14000 is address the process rather than the end goal, product or service. This is a process standard. Generally, ISO 9000 for the product, this quality system. ISO 14000 is for environmental quality system. So with this, we are completing this discussion.